How to recover your Roblox account if it got hacked. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be getting you to the steps on how you can recover your Roblox account if it ever gets hacked. So in case you have tried everything and you are not able to get your Roblox account back, then one of the best ways that you can eventually try to get back to your Roblox account is simply open any web browser of your choice and head on to this particular URL, that is roblox.com/support. And once you open this page, you will see a form like this that says contact us. Simply fill in your username, your first name, and also the username and first name are optional, so that is not mandatory, but if you want you can fill them anyways. Then you will need to fill in your email address and then confirm it, and from here you need to select what device are you having the problem on. So you can simply choose the device that you want and then choose the help category, and from here simply choose account hacked or can't login. Then you also have a subcategory type like account hacked, forgot password, or lost access to my two-step verification method, and others. So from here choose account hacked and then describe your issue and click onto this continue option, and hopefully the Roblox team will get back to you and try to resolve your issue. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.